Good morning, 9:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So as we can see, XRP still bearish here. XRP in the short-term pattern formation, if you're new, right now this was created, this is the short time frame. This was created on August 23rd. So we know the uptrending support's August 23rd. The downtrending resistance started, or August 20th downtrending resistance, August 18th uptrending support. We could not get back within this formation and break back out of it. And now we created this channel below it. So this channel below it is very bearish, as it's a rising channel, and these are bearish. So now if we do get rejected here, if that's a rejection at the 503 roughly, we can go back into the shorter time frames. Yes, that's a short-term chart, but that's on the all-time pattern. So we have to go back to the shorter time frames and be able to see exactly what's going on with the formation. As we talked about over the weekend, yes, we were over the ascending triangle support at 50 cents, and now it was about 503, but we were unable to push over in a very important short-term setting, and that's right here. We were trying to get up. Yes, we were over 51 cents, and we were trying to hold 51.3, but now we were trying to stay over. We could not do it. Every time we went over, we just couldn't hold that 51 cent mark. So right now, we're looking overly bearish. And if we were to get a breakdown from this area, it would not be good. So this morning, man, is it hot out here. It's already like 87 degrees here in Michigan, and it's 9:30, and it's humid. I'm sweating. It's like we get into September and now summer starts. It's craziness. So for XRP, if it's just standard operating procedure, you very well could find yourself coming up to the 2020 up. You're coming down to the 2020 uptrend at 38 cents. But before we get there, I don't want anybody to have like, oh my God, this is craziness. Like, we're just going to end up down there at the 2020 uptrend that's just over. No, even if we break down, which we haven't yet, remember, we're still trying to see if we can maintain a 503 level and then push up to 524 and then ultimately the 54 cent mark. That is still possible. That has not been completely invalidated, but if this is creating a right arm on a Batman top, which it looks like it might be doing, that's how you'd bring it down. So if we do lose this uptrending support, the next level is going to be around that 448 level. There is 48.5, which is the, or 48, we'll say 483, which is the double bottom right now. So breaking through here, the next level of support would be 483. You lose 483, then you've got nothing until 446. And then if you break through that, it obviously gets much, much worse. The XRP market cap is down 371.9 million today, or 1.37%. We talked about the entire holiday weekend, how XRP, if we kept getting rejected at 27.4 billion approximately, that would allow us to come down back to the uptrend, which is right around 25.3 billion. So we very well could be trending in that direction, ladies and gentlemen. Like, there's no point to even have this short-term chart. That was to see if we could break out, which we can't. We haven't been able to, I should say. It's not that we can't, but so far we have not been able to. So that's what we're in right now. So if we continue on and we can't hold the 20-day and the 4-hourly, this will tell us it all. If we lose 26.7 billion, and we show that as a rejection, we're coming back down here to about 25.4 billion. We've got the DXY spiking right now at 0.44% or 46 cents to 104.61. Talked about this all weekend. We were going to come out hot to start the new week, and it looked like we had eyes on 105.30. I'm even more confident now that that's what's going on. Can it be more? Sure it can. We don't know how high they're going to overinflate the US dollar. So this is the ultimate opportunity to get dry powder, in my opinion, and be able to start backing it up right now. So with precious metals, with risk-on assets, with crypto, it's going down right now because the US dollar is overinflated. That means the only reason it's going down is because the US dollar is inflated. That's deflating the prices through inflation. Now when the US dollar comes down, these are artificially going to go up. That doesn't necessarily mean the value is going up. It just means the US dollar is worth less. So if you're buying in a time when the US dollar is overinflated, you benefit when the dollar goes down because the risk assets are going to go up. We don't know how high they're going to put the US dollar, so we don't know when the crescendo point is. But I'm telling you right now, this is an opportunity. Maybe not at the price action for XRP because of where we bought in at 34.5 cents right now. But for other cryptos, for precious metals, and then watching XRP as it comes down, we're watching this 2020 trend line very, very carefully. We're looking a little bearish this morning to start, as we've talked about all weekend. Even though we had the inverted hammer candles in the 4-hourly on Saturday, it could not be followed up with it on Sunday, and now we've just started overly bearish. It is what it is. So, real quickly before I leave, XRP in the immediate short term. Well, we already know the market cap. But XRP in the immediate short term here. We're going to try to hold. If we don't hold this 50 cent area, 503, we get rejected. Our next area to come down to is about 485, 483, I should say, the double bottom. And then after that, it's the rising channel uptrend at 448. Below that's the swing low at 435. And then it's firmly on to the 2020 uptrend. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please make sure to hit that like button. It's the only way to push my content through the algorithm. I don't do paid promotions, advertisements, or sponsorships of any kind, and I don't charge for any of my content. Therefore, there's no marketing revenue, so I need your help. Please share this update. Please hit that like button, and consider joining Tom's Army if you'd like to pay it forward. If you're looking to trade your favorite crypto, video description below and or pinned comment. FEMX, lowest spot maker fee in the USA, only 0.5% if you use a credit card as well. No VPN, and a KYC is only needed if you're putting money on the exchange through your bank account or credit card. If you're looking to send a donation, you can send a YouTube super chat. You can join Tom's Army, or in the video description below, if you want to use PayPal or Cash App, that's an option. But I'm not going to judge. I just want you to hit that like button. Have a good morning. Stay positive, and remember, XRP in the shortest time frame of all, in the immediate short term, we're created this little bit of a rising channel. And right now we're on the bottom side of it. If you see a rejection at that 504 level approximately, that very well could bring us down today to 484, and then ultimately back down to that 448 rising channel uptrend. We break that, it's to the 2020 uptrend. Stay blessed, everybody. Remember, positivity over negativity. We don't play the victim here, we play the winner. And playing the winner, we have to have all the information, make an educated and informed decision, whether it's news, charts, or others. We need to have the most information available so that we can make a proper decision.